Doge bounced off a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Doge yesterday, I mentioned the fact that we are looking for a possible move to the downside, retesting the support level here at 7 cents. This level was of course going to act as a very strong support level because I mentioned this to you guys that as you guys can see right over here, before we had this massive run up, we had this level as a pullback opportunity. Entering shorting positions near crucial support levels is obviously a very bad move, and I mentioned to you guys yesterday that it's better to wait until we have a small pullback opportunity and then enter that shorting position. As of right now on Doge, you can see that we are right above the 9 cent support level, which we mentioned does act as a very strong support, but we have to be careful here. You can see that the exponential moving averages are currently being tested as resistance. This is showing that there is still very much bearish momentum here. We just have to be careful about obviously a move to the upside, retesting this 11 cents. This 11-cent level did act as a very strong support for Doge pretty much this whole way through, and I mentioned this to you guys in the previous videos that if that 11-cent level is broken, Doge will have a massive move to the downside. You can see as soon as we broke that 11-cent area, we actually retested that as resistance and then that continuation. So it's going to be very interesting to see whether or not Doge can possibly look to retest that level. Right now we were in extreme oversold conditions, which you can see based on the RSI, which obviously was more momentum for us to actually bounce at that level, and of course we did have a very nice short squeeze today. Ideally now it's going to be important for the bullish case scenario to actually use this level as support and that continuation, but from a bearish perspective, if we actually do break below this level again and start using it as resistance, guys, things are going to become extremely interesting. I did go ahead and draw a worst case support level for you guys here at 6.5 cents. The reason why I drew that 6.5 cents, of course, is that's pretty much where this bull run started for Doge, right? You can see we had this bull run used as pullback, which acted as one support, but when you have a breakout formation and then that continuation, that usually ends in a very nice support level overall. Looking at the daily time frame for Doge, you can see that that level also acted as a very crucial resistance level for Doge. Right around this level here, we can see that we tested on the daily multiple times before we finally had that breakout formation. Ideally on the hourly time frames, we are nice and above the exponential moving averages, sitting very prettily right now. But guys, things are going to obviously become interesting because as you guys can see on the hourly, this would act as a third test. If Doge does hold this level, we could be looking at one more breakout formation. Ideally from a technical analysis point, this is where the move started. That's where the move should end. For a lot of traders are going to be looking for that take profit level on Doge. Of course, if we do have a fake out situation like Doge has had many fake out situations, then ideally a break from below this exponential moving average would validate the fact that we are in a fake out, and that continuation to the downside will definitely happen. Of course, on the 4-hour time frame, we just have to be very careful and kind of pay attention to the fact that these exponential moving averages are squeezing and we are still above this crucial support level. Ideally, in my years of trading, I have seen this of course as a fake out. Once you can't break above this 20 exponential moving average, use it as resistance. On the third test, we do have a bearish engulfing for that continuation. We will see during Asia hours how Doge reacts to the news of whatever happened today, and possibly seeing whether or not we can continue this massive relief rally. Ideally, I did mention the fact that we would be looking into a relief rally because of the fact that we were just in these extreme conditions, right? I know a lot of you guys kept asking, okay, should I buy here? Should I buy here? Guys, realistically, if you are looking to DCA into Doge, then any level at these levels is decent, but my perspective is that if we continue to capitulate, you just don't want to be holding Doge. Altcoins tend to bleed a lot more than obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is why I keep mentioning to you guys that it's better to stay out of the meme coins, at least for now, as Doge can still be seen as that utility wise, right? Just because there's rumors about Twitter and Elon saying that he'll use Doge doesn't necessarily mean that they actually will. We have to be very, very careful here of entering Doge for the long term, of course, because of the fact that entering at these levels, and if we do see capitulation, things can look extremely bad. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.